Are you happy to work under his leadership?
Fidel Ross. At the moment we have a collective leadership, as they say in Havana.
But it looks like Shane Ross is the leader.
Well, he's Michael and Shane are very strong people. I accept that, and there's no, as far as I'm concerned, I've no interest in kind of egos or leadership issues myself. It'll be destroyed. It'll be issues like that. Leadership will be decided by the people who are on the team, okay. And if there are 40 candidates on the team, they will decide, and the people who are involved back. By the way, we've had another issue as well that's happened over the last few weeks since before Christmas is the amount of people who want to come and help us privately. Behind the scenes. They don't want to be the candidate, they don't want to be the councillors. Yeah. But at the moment, we've been talking to around 40 councillors, maybe higher, 40, 50 councillors, and candidates. Yeah. So if my ambition would be if you could narrow that down to 40 in the 40 constituencies. You have one in each constituency, credible independent candidate, and then that's the way we go forward. But as regards leadership in issues like that, they're not on the, and they will be decided democratically. So I'll be.
Are you backing Shane Ross then, or are you putting yourself forward?
No, I haven't decided yet as regards that. But I'd be very close to Shane. But politically, we have differences, and that's the reality as well. Yeah. It's a very diverse group, as you know.
Yes.